Hello friends, welcome to WideRhyme. Now today we will discuss some 50 questions related to Indian history. And these questions are very important for the upcoming exams like SSC and RRB, JEE, NTPC and Group D exams. So start with the first question. In 1937, the Congress formed government in how many states? So the answer is 8 states. Now the second question, Buddha attained enlightenment means nirvana on the bank of which river? So the answer is Niranjana. Now the third question, identify the Buddhist literature from the following. So the answer is Tripitakas. काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और काफ़ी बार पूछा भी गया है, रेलवे में भी पूछा है, एसएससी में भी पूछा गया है. Now the fourth question, on September 20, 1932, Mahatma Gandhi began a fast unto death in Yerwada jail against किसके अगेंस्ट किया था? कम्युनल अवार्ड ऑफ रैमसे मैकडोनल्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फैमिली ऑफ द ऋग वैदिक आर्यंस वाज, आंसर इज पैट्रियार्चल. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, महात्मा गांधी गॉट his inspiration for civil disobedience from Thoreau. Now the seventh question, Humayun founded his second capital, Din Panah, at which place? So the answer is Delhi. In which year? If they ask year, then it is 1533. Now the eighth question, Buddhism made an important impact by allowing two sections of society into its fold. They were, so the answer is women and Sudras. Now the ninth question, who was the advocate at the famous trials of three INA soldiers? So the answer is Bhulabhai Desai. Now the 10th question, what was the basis of transfer of power to India on 15th August 1947? So the answer is anniversary of the surrender of Japanese army before Admiral Mountbatten. Now the next question, which commission was formed in connection with the creation of Telangana state on June 2, 2014? जी हाँ, कमीशन का नाम पूछ रहा है. तो ये कौन सा कमीशन है? श्री कृष्णा कमीशन. 12th question, Mahavira breathed his last at. So the answer is Pavapuri. Now 13th question, which Governor General is known as the father of local self-government in India? So the answer is Lord Ripon. Now the 14th question, through which principle or device did Gandhiji strive to bridge economic inequalities? So the answer is trusteeship theory. Now the 15th question, Dharma Chakra Pravartan is associated with which event of Buddha's life? So the answer is first sermon. And we all know Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya in Bihar. Now 16th question, Indian Constitution adopted. So the answer is by the Constituent Assembly. 17th, Which one of the following was the last Buddhist text produced in India? So the answer is Vamsatha Pakasini. Now 18th question. Mahatma Gandhi was first arrested during Satyagraha in the year 1908. Now the 19th question. Which among the following is not the part of three Ratnas of Buddhism? So the answer is karma. Now 20th question. What was the name of the founder of Buddhism before he renounced the world? So the answer is Siddhartha. Now 21st question. Todarmal was the famous revenue minister of which Mughal emperor? So the answer is Akbar. Now 22nd question. Name the clan Buddha belonged to. So the answer is Shakya. Now 23rd question. The Indian king who opposed Alexander was. So the answer is Porus. 24th question. Who was the president of Indian National Congress when the Mountbatten Plan was accepted? So the answer is J.B. Kriplani. Now 25th question. The Prime Minister of England at the time of Quit India movement was. Answer is Churchill. After 1942, the Prime Minister was Attlee, Clement Richard Attlee from 1945 to 1951. Now 26th question. What did Jyotiba Phule's Satya Sodhak Samaj attempt in the last century? So the answer is saving the lower caste from hypocritical Brahmins and their opportunistic scriptures. Now 27th question. Last three Thankara. So the answer is Mahavira. Now the next question. Who wrote the biography of Humayun? So the answer is Gulbadan Begum. Now the 29th question. Which among the following math is related with Buddhism? So the answer is Chaitya. Now the 30th question. Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermons at. So the answer is Sarnath. काफी अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. Now 31st question. Mention the place where Buddha attained enlightenment. So the answer is Bodh Gaya. Now 32nd question. Name the clan Buddha belonged to. So the answer is Sakya. 33rd question. Buddhist scriptures in Pali are commonly referred to as Tripitakas, that is three-fold basket. Which of these is not among the Tripitakas? So the answer is Upasaka Pitaka. Now 34th question. He presided over the first day convention of Indian Constituent Assembly. So the answer is Dr. Sachadinanda Sinha. Now 35th question. The tutor of Alexander the Great was. So the answer is Aristotle. Now 36th question. Which of the following is not one of the animals carved on the Sarnath pillar? So the answer is deer. Now 37th question. Mahajanpada situated on the bank of river Godavari was Asaka. Answer is Asaka. Now 38th question. Which Mughal emperor wrote Tuzuk-e-Baburi? So the answer is Babar. जी हाँ, बाबरी लिखा है तो बाबर. काफ़ी आसान है. Now 39th question, the father of extremist movement in India is? So the answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Now 40th question, who represented India in the second round table conference? So the answer is Sarojini Naidu. Now 41st question, Buddha means? जी हाँ, बुद्धा का क्या मतलब है? So the answer is the enlightened one. 42nd question, who was the patron of third Buddhist council? So the answer is Ashoka. Now 43rd question, the first Indian selected for Indian civil service was? So the answer is Satyendranath Tagore. Now 44th question, permanent revenue settlement of Bengal was introduced by? So the answer is Cornwallis in the year 1793. Now 45th question, Asoka called the third Buddhist council at? So the answer is Patliputra. Now 46th question, who propounded the eightfold path for the end of misery of mankind? So the answer is Gautam Buddha. Now 47th question, two independent states of India and Pakistan were created by? So the answer is the Indian Independence Act. 48th question, which among the following is the sacred book of the Buddhist? So the answer is Tripitaka. Now 49th question, which ruler invaded India in 326 BC? So the answer is Alexander. Now the last question, Charak was the famous doctor in whose court? So the answer is Kanishka. Now that's all for today, and please learn all these questions, and these questions are very important. So thanks for joining us and for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and please share with your friends. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.